Trainee cop accidentally shoots colleague. Teen killed in St. Mary. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A trainee police constable was injured when a fellow trainee accidentally discharged his firearm at the Yallas police station in St. Thomas on Saturday. Both student constables are assigned to the National Police College of Jamaica at Twickenham Park in St. Catherine, but are completing part of their training in the St. Thomas Police Division. Reports are that around 1:30 p.m., a student constable was attempting to clear his pistol when it went off, causing 2 wounds to the other trainee, a 28-year-old man. According to the police, his injuries are not considered life-threatening at this time. The matter has been reported to Indicom and the hierarchy of the St. Thomas Police Division. An 18-year-old was shot and killed in Enfield, St. Mary on Saturday, a week after another man was killed in the community. Reports indicate that the teen, Sheldon J. Williams, of a Juno Penn address, was walking along the roadway in Enfield around 9:30 p.m. on Saturday night when, upon reaching a lane in the community, a group of armed men reportedly approached him and opened fire. Reports are that Williams ran into a nearby premises where he collapsed. Residents, upon hearing the gunshots, called the police. When the police arrived, Williams was found suffering from gunshot wounds all over his body. He was taken to the Anota Bay Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. A motive for his killing is not known.